Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Intercom for user support, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Intercom account. Navigate to the settings page from your dashboard. Locate the messenger option in the settings menu. Click on Customize to open the customization settings for your messenger. Select the Appearance tab to adjust how the messenger looks on your site. Choose your preferred color scheme to match your branding. Adjust the position of the messenger to suit your website layout. Next, go to the Messages section within the settings. Create a new message by clicking on the New Message button. Select a message type, such as a chat or a tooltip. Craft a concise and engaging message that encourages users to reach out for support. Set the message's timing preferences, determining when it should appear. Now, head over to the Users section to define user access settings. Add team members who will manage the support inquiries. Assign specific roles to each team member based on their responsibilities. Return to the dashboard and navigate to Integrations. Look for popular tools your team already uses and click on Install. To ensure effective support, visit the Help Center section. Create articles that address common user questions and issues. Link these articles within the messenger for easy access by users. Adjust the notification settings to manage how and when you receive user inquiries. Test the messenger on your website to ensure it displays correctly and functions as intended. Familiarize yourself with the reporting section to track user engagement. Review metrics regularly to identify areas for improvement. After thorough testing, make any necessary tweaks to optimize user experience. Once satisfied, you're ready to officially launch your Intercom setup for user support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.